Hello sa aming pinakamagandang Doña Ivali. Happy birthday po. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Taus-puso ka namin binabati sa iyong kaarawan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, madam. Yahoo! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ivali. Congratulations! Dual citizen ka na. Isang US citizen, isang senior citizen. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Best friend, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you for sharing your blessing sa lahat sa amin dito. Siguro naging parte rin ako ng achievement mo sa buhay kasi noong 4th year tayo, seating arrangement natin, ako yung nasa harap mo. Kaya pag nag-request ka sa akin na, Lonsi, pakopayin mo naman ako sa geometry, physics, and Christian values, hindi ka nahirapan. Totoo ba yun? Well, anyway, just enjoy your day and God bless.
Congratulations sa mga citizenship mo.
Edi Filipino, American citizen,
At
senior citizen. Happy birthday!
We love you!
Bye-bye!
Hi Ivali, how are you? My prayers for your good health. I wish you well in your birthday celebration. I hope to see you again. Take care and love you. Stay blessed. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Ivali. Enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Hello, I'm Clarence Jose A. Mercado. In school year 1979 to 1980, I am a student of 4 Emerald at Trinity College in Quezon City. Bess, happy birthday! Hope you will enjoy your day the Lord gave you. Wish you good health always. Take care. Huh? Okay, Bess? Happy birthday!
Hi, Ivy. Happy birthday. Hope you're having fun. Sorry I can't be there. Anyway, just want to say happy birthday and keep smiling and stay young and healthy. You still look young anyway, hot and sexy. See ya!